everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are gonna learning something that can make Salesforce user much faster. The topic is quick actions. Now honestly, many users waste time by opening the full pages again and again. By with the quick action, you can do important tasks in just few seconds or few clicks. So let's understand everything step by step. So first we need to understand what is the quick actions. In Salesforce, we can easily say quick actions are shortcut buttons in Salesforce. So they can help users to create records, update records, log calls, send emails, launch flows without opening full pages or without navigate to any other objects like that. For this, any real-time example? So okay, imagine this. Currently, I have an object like account records. So what I need to do like I need to create one receipt for this account records. So without navigate to receipt object, how can I create? In that time, quick actions are comes. By using quick action, we can create one button like a new receipt or receipt like that. We can simply click on that button, fill the form, and automatically receipt will be created. So it's a super fast, right? It will save a lot of our times. So then why quick actions are important? So quick actions are mainly improve productivity, speed, user experience. So especially for sales teams, support teams, mobile users. For example, you need to create one receipt for the one person, and that person is on the call. So instead of navigate to receipt object, it will take more time. In the same account record, by clicking one button, you can automatically create receipt for the particular record. So this is very helpful. Then what are the types of quick action in Salesforce? So this is the important things we need to remember. Now this is where many people get confused. There are mainly two types of quick actions are available in Salesforce. One is object specific quick actions. This action belongs to a particular object. For example, create contact from account, log a call on opportunity. They understand context manually. For example, if you create contact from account gets auto linked to contact. It's very useful, right? And the global actions. So this works from anywhere in Salesforce. Example, create task, create event. It's not tie up with any specific record. So then how we can create? So first we need one requirement. Currently my requirement is, so currently I have a account record. In here I need to create one more quick action button to create a receipt. So then how we can create? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to setup. So in setup, go to object manager. Open your particular object. You need to create a quick action. So currently I will open account record because I need to create quick action in account record. Button links and actions option is there. You just click on that. So this window will be open. In here we have two things. One is new action or new button. So I need to create new quick action. So that's why I just simply click on new action. In here we have actions types. Let's understand one by one. Create a record means it simply creates a new record. For example, contact, new receipt, all these things are happens in create record. So update records means update the existing records. And log a call means quickly log customer call activity. Send email directly. When we want advanced custom actions, in that time we will go with custom visual force option. And flows, launch flow from button. In that time we will go with flows. And if we have a lightning component or lightning web component, in that time we will go with lightning component, lightning web component. So currently I need to create a record. So that's why I just simply select create a record. So then we need to select target object. Target object means this record where we need to store or where that record should be create. My target object is receipt. So I simply select receipt. Then standard label type, I don't select anything. So simply we need to give the label of the button. So I will give like receipt. So simply I will give it as receipt. So and once the record is create, what is the success message we need? New receipt is created like that. Simply save. So once you saved, we need to add the fields to the that particular quick actions. So currently I will add fields like account, approve date, approval status, bank name, customer name, finance head, finance user, and GST. Only this field I add for that quick action. Simply I will click on save. Now the quick action is completed, but we need to add this quick action to the main page layout. So how we can add? You simply go to the account records objects, Open any one of the record, go to details, simply click on gear icon, go to edit page. So it will navigate to Lightning App Builder. So in here currently I have a 3 buttons. So this button I don't use. So that's why I just simply delete. So I need to add one more quick actions. So that's why I will click on add action. I will type my quick action name. So currently my quick action name is receipt. So then click on done. So once it's done, you need to click on save. So once it's saved, again you need to click on activation. So I will currently make it as app default. So I select app, then click on next. Click on next. Click on save. So once you saved, again you need to save. So now quick action is added to page layout. You just go back to main page. That quick action button is currently present. So if I simply click on that button, I can get like this. Account is automatically mapped. I will add some values. So I will simply click on save. So once it's saved, if I click on that record, automatically this receipt is created. So this is how we can create quick action in Salesforce. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.